Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna talk about investment. What you should be investing into, and I got 5 things that I have been using for almost 3 years now, and it really helps me a lot, and I'm still learning. That's why I want to show you guys, so you guys can also try it and then let me know what you think. So before we get into the video, please like, comment, and subscribe so that I know that you guys are liking my videos, so I can make more video like that. And I got more that I have to help, or I have to make to help you guys make money. And if you guys like my sweatshirt, you guys can get it. I'll put the link down below. It's my clothing brand. It's called Faith Love Africa, and I make Christian clothes. So just want to spread the gospel, like a side business, I would say, or side hustle, is called Acorns. I have a video about Acorns before, and I'll keep talking about it because it really helps me a lot to invest money. You can start by investing $5, or you can invest $10, $15 and up. And I would say you can start with $5, but if you want your account to grow faster, I would say invest $15. I show my account in other videos. Is right up there. You can check it out and see how I use it. So you can go through it. The pros, you can see here: automatically invest, spare change, cashback, educational content available. Cons, you have a small investment portfolio, you got high fee on small account balance, and those you got $1 per month that they take. It sometimes they take 5, but I've been using Acorns for 2 or 3 years now, and now they're taking $2 out of my account, and that's the account minimum 0. You got promotion. So if you use the link below to join Acorns, or I think me and you, now I'm getting a bonus for 300. So you get 300 that will invest into your account, and I'll get the same thing. So if you guys need a video about that, just comment it below, and I will make a video about Acorns, because guys, it's really good. You guys should look into it and get into that. Number 2 will be Forex market. It's a must. It's a must. You need to have that skills. For me, it's not the money. For me, it's just the skills, because you can use those skills to do other things. And I would say Forex market is really good. Everybody is talking about it on YouTube. You can just YouTube it. Just type Forex market, like how to trade Forex market, and there's a lot of videos there. A lot of videos. If you guys need advice on which video to watch, just let me know, and I will show you guys which video to watch. And yeah, there's a lot of things out there. There's a lot, and I really think everybody should learn how to trade on in the Forex market. Number 3 is Robinhood. Robinhood is more like stock market. You can trade stock. You can invest into cryptocurrency. I'm gonna show you guys my account. Is not a big account because I don't really use Robinhood a lot to like invest. I use Forex market a lot. I trade in the Forex a lot and or in Robinhood. I put $10 into it and I am growing it to 65 now. I got a couple of Dogecoin. I got a couple of stuff that I do here. My process is I go to Yahoo Finance and I just look for information about like what stock to get into. And if you have like a knowledge trading forex market, this will be more like easier. You just go to the go to your chart, you just look at it and then just get into it. If you feel like it's going up, you just get, because stock takes a while. Forex is like a quick in and out. Just like I said, watch YouTube and you guys will see. It will really help you guys a lot. That's number 3. Number 4 will be Shipt. Number 4 is Shipt. Shipt is really good. Shipt, I make a lot of money using Shipt. Shipt is a shopping app. So I think they take Meyer. Where I'm from, like in Warsaw here, they only use Meyer. So what they do is you open the app, you schedule yourself. For example, if you schedule it from 1 to 6, in between those times they will collect the orders from like people that like don't want to go for grocery shopping or like old people. So they will collect those orders and then they will like send it to you. And what I always do is I pick the one that pay most and then I go do it so that I can make more. So per day I can make 200, 150 and stuff like that. It depends on the day, and also they tip you like really good. So you just go in the store and then you start it. They will give you like 1 hour and 30 minutes to like complete it. So sometimes you get like a list that is less than 100, then you just get it quicker. Or sometimes you get a list that is more, and then the more the things to get, the more they will pay you. So if you love to shop, you should get Shipt and start doing that because it pays really good. The pays are good, and yeah, just get into it. And the number 5, last and the final is YouTube. Everybody uses YouTube, and I think everybody self like I'm doing. If you don't like to show yourself, or if you don't, there's a lot of things that you can do. You can get into, there's a lot, or like meditation. You can get into like, you can sing, you can be like a comedian, you can dance, you can do everything. So if you don't want it, you can type in your channel for free. So instead of making the video by yourself, you can use somebody's video. So what you do is, if you're looking for dancing, or if you're looking for like, if you want to start like how to lose weight fast, you can just go here, you can go to filter and go to Creative Commons, and then here are the video that you can use, and you can use it for free, and like there's no copyright, there's nothing. But what you can do is you take that video and you change stuff into it, just like you don't have to just like download it and then re-upload it on YouTube. You know, just like download it, go through the video, change like a couple things. You can like cut some stuff and then paste some stuff into it, or like remove some stuff in the video and add another thing, just to make it different from the original video, and also like give credit to that person that you take the video from. That's all you're gonna do, and you can do that for like, you can take 10 videos here, and then you do the same thing. Just take it, do some small like editing, and then upload it. So that's all I got for you guys today. Stay tuned, and before you go, don't forget to subscribe. uh, I know I haven't like uploaded a lot, and I know it's a bad habit, but I'm trying to do that. If you guys like, just give me more likes so that I know that you guys like my content, so I can come up with some powerful videos that can help you guys grow. So stay tuned, stay blessed, and don't forget to go check out my brand, Faith Love Africa. The link will be below. Ciao guys, I'm out.